Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung anong parating sa inyo in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood yung reading na to. Dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Yan, panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Pwede itong mag-resonate sa inyo, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, Scorpio. What's up? Ano yung parating? Next 7 days for Scorpio. Trust. I think meron kang mabubuong tiwala sa isang bagay, sa isang tao, sa sarili mo, no? That you are safe, that you are secure. Trust in love. Aha. Okay. Scorpio, you are trusting your relationship or your feelings for someone. And success. Wow, ang ganda naman. So, I think you are going to be successful in whatever you are trusting. So, ano man itong mga pinagkakatiwalaan mo? Sarili mo. The moment that you trust yourself, no? And the people you love, and especially yourself, no? The way you love people, kung ano man yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, mga tao na mahal mo sa buhay, you're going to have a successful relationship with them. Okay? And whatever this is that you are working on, na kung saan mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, you're going to be successful in that field. O, diba? With the Chariot. The Chariot is about triumph, tagumpay. This is moving on, moving forward. This is movement. You also have the Empress. Oh, kayo na talaga, Scorpio. Ganda. The Empress is about abundance, fertility, creativity. You have the Ace of Wands. Ay, iba sa inyo may mabubuntis, ha? in the next 7 days. So, kung kayo ay hindi ready, you gotta be, careful. Mag-ingat. Pero kung yan talaga yung gusto nyo, yes, meron. So, syempre, kailangan sexually active kayo. Okay? Para mabuntis. So, you also have the Knight of Cups. Oh, yung iba sa inyo talaga in love. The Star card, Knight of Cups, Ace of Wands. This is a very passionate love. Yung iba, ano pa lang to, nagsisimula. Parang nasa early stages of your relationship and you feel already that you can trust this person. Oo, napagkakatiwalaan mo na siya. And I think naman if this is related to what you love in your career and what you do, this is like an inspiration eh. Meron kang new beginning, new opportunity na sisimulan na very much inspired ka. So, syempre, pag inspired tayo, mas productive tayo, di ba? So, I think you are gearing towards your success, your dreams, your goals. And maaring meron kang katuwang dito. So, this can be your romantic partner or someone na mahal mo sa buhay. What else for Scorpio? Oops. Wait lang, halag. Okay, Gemini yung lumabas. So, this is the 5th house. South Node in Gemini in the 5th house. Ooh, 5th house is about your creativity, communication. Gemini communication yan. So, 5th house, meron talagang children dito na energy, no? Pwedeng, yun nga, in the next 7 days, may mabubuntis, makakabuntis, or even sa family ninyo, no? Merong mabubuntis kasi may birth talaga rito. And then, this can also mean your creative side, your creative energies, especially if you are, inclined ka sa communication, public speaking, or you are using your voice to generate income or sa career mo. And then you have the South Node kasi this is something that you have already mastered. So, magaling ka na dito. Oo. Kumbaga, na lang, ibu-boost mo na lang yung energy mo for that. Oo. Expert ka na dyan. May cold truth. Okay. Let's see what else. Parang pwedeng magkaroon ka ng challenge related sa yung relationship. This can be yung other person, no? Merong panlalamig or may umiiwas. Oh, baka may iiwasan. It's either meron kang iiwasan or merong iiwas sa'yo. This is someone na romantically connected ka sa person na to. Pwedeng meron kang realization na you're not ready for this person, kung ikaw yung umiiwas sa kanya. At kung siya naman yung umiiwas sa'yo, it only means na merong dahilan sa likod nun na kailangan mong i-discover. Pero just in case na hindi maging malinaw sa'yo, you just need to let it go. Kasi maaring may mga kailangan mo ng dumistansya sa'yo para makapag-focus ka dun sa goals mo. Be real. Full moon in Aquarius. Yes, you're going to be more authentic sa iyong sarili. So if there is someone sa buhay mo na you don't want to be acquainted with, ng tipong ayaw mo talaga sa kanya, iwasan mo na. 'Di ba? Hindi mo naman kailangan pahirapan pa yung sarili mo. Let your fears dissolve. Ayan. So, ang isa sa kailangan mong iwasan din is yung takot, no? I mean, normal na minsan matatakot tayo, lalo na pag may mga new beginnings, new opportunities na hindi tayo ganun komportable pa or hindi pa natin gamay, no? So, syempre kung punong-puno ka ng takot, hindi mo masyadong ma-absorb yung kailangan mong matutunan, 'di ba? Example sa pagdadrive ng sasakyan. Kung lagi kang natatakot na mag-drive, paano ka matututo, 'di ba? or nag-aral ka na nga pero natatakot kang lumabas sa highway, paano mo matututunan yung experience na yon kung hindi ka susubok, no? Kung matatakot ka lang. So, you're going to let your fears dissolve. So, magkakaroon ka ng lakas ng loob. Okay? So, that is your reading. Scorpio, kung nagustuhan nyo to, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.